In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this fancy turn signal indicators on any scooter or motorcycle right after this short intro. Coming up. Hey guys, my name is Rahil and today I'm going to show you how you can get this fancy turn indicator LEDs inside your motorcycle or scooter. These bulbs are called Switchback Turn Indicator LED. It is because this bulb are white in color, but the moment you hit the indicator switch on, it turns up yellow or amber colored like this. I paid around 750 rupees for this. The package comes with two bulbs and a controller for each, and also some additional extra wire to connect the white light. The connector is BA15S type, so it should be plug and play on most of the motorcycles and scooters. Today I'm going to install this in Honda Aviator, as I can't install it in my Activa because the turn indicator lens is amber or yellow colored. So that means even if there is white light inside, it would be same yellow colored outside. That doesn't serve the purpose of switchback LEDs. You can also install this in your car if your car supports BA15S type of holder. In fact, I wanted to install it in my Tigor, but even she has got the yellow colored lens for the turn indicator, so I can't use it. This LED will work its best if your car or motorcycle or scooter has got clear turn indicator lens, or should I say transparent lens. But before installing this in your scooter or motorcycle, make sure you change the turn indicator relay or the flasher to an electronic type. Now, this is important for the bikes who have incandescent bulb as turn signal indicators, because the flasher which is used with these types is mostly thermal type. If you don't use electronic flasher, then no matter what kind of LED you use in the turn signal indicators, it will just keep on glowing. Yes, it will not blink at all. And that's exactly why you need to have an electronic flasher. Once you're all set with this, let's talk about the wiring. The wiring for this is as simple as plug and play. So you basically just need to remove the existing bulb like this. And once you are done removing, simply put this holder in place of this bulb holder plug. Then just push this inside so that the rubber sits in perfectly. Do the same with the other bulb for the other side. So when I put the turn indicator on, it seems to work normally. Now at this point of time, you might ask me, hey Rahil, you said they will glow white. Yes, they do. Now that can be done in two ways. You can connect this bulb wire straight to the lock switch, so the light will glow whenever you turn the key to on position. Or you can also connect this wire to the pilot lamp if your scooter has got pilot lamps. So what will happen is this LED will glow whenever you turn on the pilot lamps and also the headlamps, because that's how it works. Also, if you don't have this light switch which has got two levels like this, how I have over here, then you can purchase it and replace it with the existing one. It will cost something around 60 rupees. Or you can connect it to the output wire going from the relay to the headlamp if you have converted your bike from AC to DC supply. If you don't know what that is, then I have made a detailed video on how to convert your bike from AC to DC. I will put it in the I button somewhere here or here, and also in the description box below. So do check it out. Now for the purpose of this video, I will do the same. And this is how a switchback turn indicators work. This is normal white light, and the moment I use the turn indicator, it turns yellow or amber colored. Again, for the other side. Now you can also use this same switchback turn indicator LED in your car. More of that in a future video. So if you want to know more about it, then make sure you have subscribed to my channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. And if you have already installed this kind of switchback LED in your scooter or motorcycle, or if you're planning to get one of them, then do let me know in the comment section below. You can also tag me in your DIY pictures on my Instagram ID, and I would love to see that. So here it is. Oh, and by the way, this Aviator has got the same LED bulb which I have used in Activa. So I will link that video up somewhere in the iCard over here and also in the description. So make sure you do check it out. For time being, this is the switchback LED. These are glowing already. And now the moment when I put the turn indicators on, and now I'm going to stop it. See that? Again, this side. Bang on. So that's it for the video. Hope you liked it. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one. You can also install this in your car. In fact, I wanted to install it in my Tuber. You can install